Neha, madam, suppose if I happen to ask you a question, and the question is there is a school, and that school often promotes exams. They allow the students to give exams based upon the projects rather than academic syllabus. What are your viewpoints? Are they doing good? Are they going bad? What are your viewpoints?
Uh, Sir, I feel that uh, project-based assessment encourage students' creativity, critical thinking, and practical applications of its knowledge. Students learn to solve real-life problems, work collectively, which is more useful in its daily life rather than rote memorization. Uh, but the other side of this is that I also feel that without a syllabus-based test, uh, students might lack in standard core syllabus. It could make difficult to compare its academic growth or academic activity. Uh, like two students are in engineering college. One has great core values and its study is good, but it does not has that much of communication skill. The other is good in communication skill, but it does not have that much of knowledge in its core. In interview, good communication skill will pass, but in his work, he is not good as much as that academic good student will do. So I think that a student must have both academic as well as practical application of that. So a student will promote balance of both. It will also conduct a practical based assessment plus academic, like more competitive exam will do. It first check the academic, then its communication skill. Uh, thank you.
Nicely explained. And you maintained proper balance between those two. You started highlighting both points. It's very much important to have academics plus project based learning. After all, experiential learning plays vital role in the growth of the students. And whatever we learn, we
Yes,
mug up. What happens? We remember those things for a short period of time. And if we are doing those things with our hand, working upon the projects, I mean to say experiential learning, it goes throughout our life.
yes,
It is really very useful. Very
yes, sir.
nicely said, ma'am. Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छे, ma'am. Here we go. So, Janvi, my question to you is, there is a school. That school never gives homework to their students. Why they must be doing like this? What is your view about this?
My view is the school has decided that the students are spending their more time in school. They do not get time to rest, play, connect with their family, and uh, they are not able to be relaxed. Sometimes they get more stress, and sometimes they are under pressure. They don't get time to talk with their family. They don't share their problems. So, on uh, because of this, some schools has stopped giving homework to the students. But on the other hand, they should give the homework to the students because the teachers would not understand how what is the progress of the student and how the student is learning, and if he is learning or she is learning, the teacher will not understand that he or she is improving. So for this, the school should give homework to the children, but not too much that they are not getting time to relax, and talk with their family.
Very nicely said. And research of Harvard University also says that whenever any concept is taught to the student, it is very much important that a student should do revision within 24 hours. When you do revision within 24 hours, there is a possibility, there is more probability that you remember the things for the longer time. And if you are revising something after 24 hours, it is very difficult. You need to start mugging up again from zero, back to square one. It goes in that way. So very nicely answered, Janvi. Thank you so much. In some school, there is a teacher, and that teacher never scolds the students after misbehaving in the class. Can you tell me what must be the reason behind this?
Because the teacher believe on love and understanding the change of behavior in students with as their age. Uh, she understands that it is natural and more effectively than punishment. Uh, it create positive environment in classroom, and in positive environment students students learn better. On the other hand, without any without any strictness, students might take students might take on the other hand, without any discipline, students not get seriousness, and take the advantage of this, and repeats their mistakes again and again. To control the students, discipline is strictest, and discipline is important important for order.
That's true. Very nicely said. So, what is your unbiased view about this topic? What is your final view about this topic? What should be done by the teachers?
Uh, Not get strictness with the students.
They should not be too much strict about the students, right? This is what you want to say.
Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes, you know what? Many teachers are too rude. When the teacher is too much rude, what happens? Students, they develop the habit and they take it for granted. They feel that "Arey, this sir is very rude. Don't take anything to the mind, to the heart." In fact, they ignore whatever the shoutings they are receiving from such kind of teachers. And if the teacher is too soft, what happens? Again, over here, students understand that teacher is not that strict. Let's do what we have to do. So they will take it again for granted. Very much important. Being a teacher, teacher should understand that they need to play a role play of getting angry, a role play of being soft. So both combination they have to do, and they have to apply it in the class. They should not be too much rude, they should not be too much soft. Rather, they should adopt these two strategies as per the situations. Okay? Well, Randhir, my question to you is, there is a brand in the market, and that brand is Zara. They keep on introducing some new fashions, trendy fashions every week. So, what impact will it prevail upon the people if they are doing this in coming future over and again? What are your views about this?
Zara is a big fashion brand, and brands like Zara do these things for their profit margin. Frequent changes create a scene for urgency for the customers to buy the product buy their product immediately. It keeps the brand trendy and responsive to fashion trends. Also, it increases the sales and profit of the brand. Um for example, any person buys something from Zara, and after 1 week, the upgraded version of that thing came. Then that person again buy that thing, although that thing have minor differences. From these, that brand get more profits. Uh, more profits. Other hand, oh, oh, other hand, uh, the rapid collection changes uh, may lead to overproduction and wastage of their products, and customer may feel unharmed or unable to keep up with the brand.
That's true. Very nicely said. There is a very nice saying in English. Product is made in the factory, but brand is created in the mind of the people. And accordingly, this brand keeps on, introducing new things, new products, new creativity in the market. In that way, what happens? Customers, they also want such kind of products which is quite new, which is unique, right? They want newness. They want some creativity. So accordingly, they are also demanding such kind of products, and that's why this brand is frequently changing and adding some new trendy fashions